GcExcel is a feature-rich Excel document API based on VSTO. The library is fast, efficient, and lightweight. GcExcel for Java includes all the features that are supported in the .NET version. This video walks through how to add a table to a spreadsheet using GcExcel. We'll also look at built-in styling or your own custom styles. We'll calculate the total row count in a table along with the average data. First, initialize the workbook. Add a range of data. Add the data to the worksheet. Set the table over the range of data. Set formulas over the table to calculate the total rows count and average weight. Save the workbook. Run the application. You've added a table structure to a range of data in the spreadsheet using GcExcel. For more tutorials, blogs, and code samples, visit GrapeCity.com.